Hello everyone, this is James Zed, and in this tutorial today what I'm going to show you is how to create a page on your website, and on top of that how to make a page the first thing that people see when they go to your website rather than your blog posts. Now just a quick idea of what the difference is between a post and a page, because they look very similar, but the idea behind them is different. A post is a blog post where you're constantly updating. It's going to have the date on it, it's going to be under a category, it's going to have tags. With a page, that's more of a static page on your website, and it's not going to have a category, it's not going to have tags, but that's something that your audience just looks at as kind of a web page. So you could have, your home page, you could also have, your business / about us page, you could also have a contact us page, you could also have, what services we offer page. Those are pages versus blog posts, which is just constantly updating what you're up to. So today we're going to go through pages. So the easiest way to make a new page is to simply go to the Pages tab, go to Add New, and it'll open up your editor. And from here we can just put in a title for the page. It's Sally's Pet Grooming Service, and I'm just gonna, let's put in for a title, how often does your pet need grooming? So that's just a simple page we're going to make, and we can put a whole bunch of data in here. It's cat, three times per month, dog is 3 times per week, and parrot is 1 time per year. Okay, so this is our page. Again, just doesn't have a lot of data on it, just very, very simple page. But what we can do is, there we go, it looks a lot neater, is again, you have all the options here. You can bold anything, you can make anything a different color if you want, you can color code. Let's make that green, bold, and italicize. There we go. Sorry, I just don't like the color of that. There we go. That looks much better. And then on top of that, just edit it any way you want. If you want to put a link in there, you have that option as well. If you want to maybe center this information, there you go. And from there, again, you can set a featured image for this. I'm not going to do that this time around, but I am going to just simply hit publish. Okay, now what else I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how, instead of this is the first page that somebody would see when they go to your website. So instead of seeing your blog posts, what they're going to do is they're going to see this page that I just published. Actually, let's open that in a new browser tab. So this is what the page looks like. How often does your pet need grooming? Cat 3 times a month. Okay, so there's the page. And from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make that the first thing that people see when they go to your website. But in order to do that, I'm going to do a quick trick. I'm just going to go to Add New. I'm going to make another page, and I'll show you why in a second. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to title this blog, and I'm going to publish it right away. Okay, so now I just created this new page. Now I'm going to go under Settings, Reading. And from here, the very first option I have is front page displays either your latest blog posts or a static page. I'm going to click a static page, and it's going to say front page. I want how often does your pet need grooming on there, and it's going to ask me for my post page. So I'm going to click blog, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. So here's my home page. Right now it's showing my blog posts, and I'm just going to click refresh, And now it's showing that static page that I just created. How often does your pet need grooming? And you might wonder, well, where are my blog posts? Well, I made the page blog, and I set that to where my blog pages are going to be. So I'm just going to go up here, and I'm just going to simply type in blog. Click enter, and here are my blog posts. Cool. So with that, that's how to set up a page, and that's how to make a page the first thing that people see when they visit your website. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please just leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much.